It is a beautiful morning by the sea. The Johnson family goes to the beach. Mia and Leo run across the warm sand.
They look for shells near the water.
Leo sees something strange by the rocks.
Mia walks closer to see it. It is a sea turtle in a net. It is a sea turtle in a net. Dad! Help! We found a turtle!
The family hurries to the rocks. Daniel looks carefully at the net.
The net is wrapped around the turtle.
Lily tries to calm the turtle.
The tide starts to come in.
The family must act quickly. Daniel carefully pulls part of the net.
But the net is very strong. Mia finds a loose piece of rope. Leo helps move the net away.
Slowly, Donnie starts to move.
One flipper comes free from the net.
The family keeps working together. At last, the net falls away.
Donnie is free at last.
The family cheers with joy. Donnie slowly moves toward the sea. He looks back at the family. Then he swims into the blue water. The family cleans up the old net.
They learn that helping nature matters.